are a YouTuber. You post a lot of videos and the money comes. What can go wrong?
Use content. Reused content refers to channels that report about someone else's content without adding significant original commentary or educational value.
This leads to the total demonetization of YouTube channel. I went through something like this. My videos were mostly about games, but I got monetized again by doing this step like in this video. I leave a link in the description. How do you mean you didn't know that besides playing, I also make games? Go and search and download these mobile games that are free on Google Play and Amazon App Store. Back after many hours of research, I've come to the conclusion that I thought games and music were the most prone to reuse content, but I was wrong. Anime videos are the most approved to be held accountable by YouTube team. Why? Well, it's hard to say, especially if you don't know which videos are the problem. You will ask why others can and you can not.
You can find this answer on my other video with reused content if you have already forgotten.
But now, talking about the channel that make anime content, I can deduce these things. The Japanese or any creators don't like you using their content so simply, and if you have their permission, YouTube will find you and restrict you. So I did some tests to see if this problem can still be fixed. I stole a short anime video and now I'm starting. Test 1. In the first part I added sound and visual effects, cropped, trimmed, added background music and finally some text. Test 2. I will add the webcam in the background without saying anything. Test 3. I add background to a webcam camera with small size to anime video. Test 4. I add the webcam in the background with a small size of the edited anime video. Test 5. I add the webcam in the background with small size of the edited anime video with low sound. Test 6. I add the edited anime video with many interaction with my webcam. Test 7. Unedited anime video and with interaction with my webcam. Let's see the results. It seems that I succeeded with 2 tests. With test 7, there were 2 small copyrights in the music, but it was fixed. With music copyright, you have several possibilities to escape. You can replace the music, you can choose the sound option, or you can cut the interval with the problem. So today is January 7th, but we wait a few weeks to see if anything happens in the meantime. I am back in January 21 with good news. Therefore, the solution is the following. Delete all the videos that are without any modification that you have copied, or the videos that you think you have not modified enough. And you must proceed like this. You must appear in video with your face and voice on the whole background. Between parts of the anime videos that must be a few seconds each, and add music in the background where you can find free on YouTube Library Studio. Be original, be creative, that's what YouTube needs from you. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please give a like and subscribe. Bye.